G'day scientists! Today we're reviewing something a little bit different. It's not a building kit, this is a puzzle kit that teaches you about gravity. It's called Gravity Maze and it cost me $49 from Amazon. Right, let's open up and take a look. On the box here you can see you've got some cards and some different ways, and it has different levels, beginner to expert. Let's play some of the game and see how it works. Inside the box we have the instructions how to, oh my goodness, the instructions how to play already. Super boring. Then we've got this, which looks like the game board itself. Some parts. And this must be how you build the maze together. They're the different parts. And then 3 ball bearings. And then the cards themselves. And the cards have different challenges. You put these in place and then add these to the grid. And you've got to get the ball to fall through them. Okay, this game is pretty simple, but already I can see it's going to be great fun. First of all, you take the starting tower marked on the card with this dot, and then that needs to be set up so that it matches the dots and also the positions. So this has to go on here, and then this is the target tower. Tower has to go there like that. Now we need to use the purple and a grey. And we have to fit these onto here so that when we drop a ball into the top here, it ends up in the target. So to begin with, I imagine this is quite simple. Let's have a look what we've got here. If you drop into the top there, nothing's going to happen. So that can only go one way up. And if we drop it in there, it's going to send the ball that way. So let's put that one there and let's see what happens. Let's drop the ball in. Okay, cool. This one here, when you drop it in, it's going to come out there. So let's put that one here, and then let's drop the ball in. Yes, into the target. It looks pretty easy. Let's go straight to a intermediate one. It's actually got this really handy place to hold the marble here, so we don't need the other marbles there just in case you lose it. Target there like that, and we've got the yellow there like that. So if we drop the ball in here, it's going to go that way. I'm going to speed this part of the video up because it took me quite a few tries to get the ball into the target. Yes! Previously it was hitting here and then bouncing through. Now it's hitting there and bouncing off. Let's try a hard one. Let's go up a level. We're going to go straight now to advanced. Okay, oh my goodness, so many pieces now. Right, we've got this one here. This one's going here, and that's where we've got to end up. And then we've got the blue one set up. Stack? They stack. I didn't see that coming. Oh my goodness. So that one goes there, and then this one's going on the top. Like that. Oh my goodness. So now I want to drop it in the top. Whoa, it goes flying off this way. So to do this one, we have a green piece, 2 yellow pieces and 2 purple. That is a lot to add onto this maze. Right, so first one, when we're dropping it in, it's ending up here. Yes. No, it doesn't. No, it's still the same. Pop it in the top. Try again. No, bring it. Oh, this one might work. It is super noisy, this game. Directed this way. What happens if we put that there? What happens when we put that there? Let's try that one. Ready? Oh! Is it enough to go all the way through? Through there? No. No. Would it just be enough to do that? It's up here now. It's like almost bouncing him back. And then this one is good. What about if it falls in there? Pop that in there. Where's it going to go? Where's it going to? Whoa! Let's try. I'm almost certain that needs to go there. Oh, what? And then you can see when you get to the advanced level, it gets very hard. The good news is though, when you turn it over, the solution's on the back. I forgot. You can stack them on top of each other, of course. And then that, look at that. That makes much more sense now. Oh my goodness, this is really complicated, this one. It goes very fast from intermediate to advanced. Right, let's give it a go. Ready, set. Ah! You hit the target. It's actually really cool when you get the more advanced ones. Okay, well, that was actually quite good fun and gets very hard very quickly. There are loads of cards in the game and I think it will last quite some time. That little short play you saw there was about 20 minutes worth of play, but I think overall in this book there's probably days or weeks worth of play in this kit. It scales up from being a beginner's game and quite easy to being very hard very quickly, especially when you can stack them on top of each other. The good news is the solutions are on the back, which means those who are short of patience will still be able to complete the game. There are spare ball bearings for when you lose them, which is an almost certainty. It's very noisy, so some parents who are noise sensitive may not want to buy this game. Is it teaching you anything about science? Well, problem solving is a core part of science, and it is teaching you about gravity because you have to work out how things are falling and where they're going to go to next. I am going to give the Gravity Maze 3 stars for fun, 2 stars for price, and 2 stars for learning. Buy or bye. It's a buy. I love this kit. It was really good fun. You're going to learn a lot and it's going to keep you entertained for a long time. If you haven't seen it yet, check out this embarrassing failure of a video where I forgot to hit record and built a wooden crane.